So what I'm going to talk about here today is the urgency and, just as important, the agency in addressing the climate crisis. You all know the litany. If you're watching the news, China's worst heat wave on record, record heat in London, a third of Pakistan underwater, Canada's strongest ever storm, an unprecedented landfalling hurricane striking the west coast of Florida. And that's just the past few months. The impacts of climate change are no longer subtle. We are seeing them play out in real time in the form of these extreme weather disasters. The urgency of climate action is crystal clear. But let's talk about the agency of climate action. In the new climate war, I warn about the threat of doomism and despair, for it potentially leads us down the path of disengagement. And polluters would much rather see you disengaged and on the sidelines than out there on the front lines demanding change. So we must recognize that it's not too late to prevent catastrophic climate change impacts. The obstacles aren't physical. They're not technological. They are entirely political. So you must use your voice. And students here at Penn are doing that. You are using your voice in a very powerful way. But there's another very powerful way to use your voice, and that's your vote. In a matter of weeks, there is a midterm election that will determine the future course of climate action and, in fact, the future course of our democracy here in the United States. And as goes the United States when it comes to democracy and climate action, goes the rest of the world. So this election couldn't be more important, and it's critical that you turn out and you vote. Vote for climate champions. Vote out climate deniers and delayers. The future of our planet literally lies in the balance. And so I will reduce my talk to simply one word: vote. Thank you.